Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this cartoon rat in Maya. Earlier I tried to model this model in Blender and something went wrong and Blender crashed. So I stopped in between only. So today I am going to model this same model in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our cartoon rat model in Maya. So this was the reference I was using. This was a reference and this is our model. Okay, so this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.